Hi everybody, I'm Amy Stewart. I'm a writer and an artist. I think one of the best ways to learn to draw and paint is to do a still life because you get to work on shapes, proportion, composition, values, meaning light and dark, and color, and of course, you get to develop your own style. So one of my neighbors was nice enough to create this beautiful arrangement of pumpkins on her front porch. It's like the perfect still life. There's so much going on in terms of light and shadow. There's a good variety of colors and shapes and textures. And I think a project like this is so much fun to do in mixed media, where you build up different layers with different materials. And you get a really lively, interesting style that's just uniquely yours. I also happen to just love art supplies, and I have a little bit of everything in my studio. So in this class, you can pick and choose. Use whatever you have on hand: watercolor, gouache, colored pencil, pastel, paint pens, markers, ink, whatever you've got. Get it all out and we will make it work. All right, well, these pumpkins aren't going to paint themselves, so let's get going.